Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing fine. Today, I just wanted to give a light on the domestic violence in India, especially. Like there are so many people who are going through domestic violence and they are not even coming out and talking that in public. So, that is going to kill them inside. They keep on keeping it within themselves and it eats them within, and one fine day they commit suicide or they kill themselves or go into depression, take in the tablets, whichever, whatever. So first of all, no one think that no one in this world can even hit you. Okay, yes, okay, exception, just for a limit is your parents, but if they hit you for no reason, then you need to think about that. Okay, living that, I don't think anyone else in this world should has the right to hit anyone else in this planet. Okay, and anyone else, it can be animals, it can be humans. No, if a person does that to you, that means it is so wholly disrespecting you to a level. So let it be your siblings or your aunt, your uncle, or your parents for that matter, who hit you for no reason. And I don't think you need to continue the relationship with them. I am being very straight here, but no one can physically assault you for sure. Okay, and let us come to the topic of husband and wife, and that is a thing which is ruled out. Okay, no husband can hit a wife, no matter what, no matter how much they love each other. No, and vice versa also, because as I said, the you can have the a little bit of exception with your parents, but again, if they hit you for no reason, they're crazy or they're mad, or that is when you need to end a relationship with your own parents. So when it comes to husband and wife, I don't think so you need to continue in such a relationship, because that will not fetch you anything good. So what I would say is, be it in a relationship, a husband and wife relationship, it is good to end that such a kind of relationship which includes physical assault and domestic violence. And the second point is that you are a girl in your family without no father. So generally you see society treating a girl without a father or a woman without a husband very badly, be it her own relatives. So that is what I'm saying here. So if your uncle, your aunt comes to do that, definitely they will do that, because in this Indian society especially, if there is no man of the family, then everyone will come and take you for granted. They can do anything with you. That is how life is. That is how a hard life is. So what you need to understand is, you need to set right a few Lakshman Rekha for such people, so that they don't interfere into your life. End the relationship. See, be it your own best friend or anyone who was dear to you once upon a time, but they have made use of you, they have taken you for granted, and they have disrespected you, then it is very fine that you end the relationship with them. You should not continue relationship with people who disrespect you, number one, and who take you for granted, who backstabs you, no matter what, no matter who that person is in your life. So that you need to understand. So number three is, don't physically assault yourself too. Okay, sometimes you get into an argument and you're frustrated about something in your life, that it's irritated, or you're in a bad mood or something. You're not able to hit the opposite person, so instead what you do, you hit yourself to calm yourself down. So that is also really wrong. Never do that to you. Never hit yourself, never hit another one, never hit a child. be it even teaching, is that you can teach your child. Okay, that's my cat. If you guys want to see him, hi, say hello to my Boochu. Okay, so what I would say is you can even correct your own children without even hitting them. So I believe that. So basically, if someone hits you or you hit someone, it really hurts you very badly. Maybe words can be forgiven, but if someone is hit you physically, then it is really sorry for that chirping, because that's my birds there. This is my kind of chill out computer room, so I sit here and I have my pets here. So sorry for the background noise. So what I was saying is, hitting someone physically is really bad. It hurts their soul. So let's not do that to anyone out, right? So let's not do to anyone for that matter. We need to respect each other. Be it a husband and wife relationship also, which is so close, but you should never take each other for granted, or that, oh, it's okay if I hit you once. What is there? I'm your husband. I have the right to do that. No, that doesn't work that way. Or even a wife says that to her husband. No, that doesn't work that way. So physical assault, domestic violence is really bad. So what I would like to all the people who are doing it to someone, to those people I would say that if you hit someone today, someone will be there to hit you back. So be ready for that. You should not take anyone for granted. You should not hit yourself also, I said. There are a lot of ways to, okay, there's a lot of background noise. There are a lot of ways to, what do you say, calm down your anger. You can take anger management classes, or you can, do some pranayama, do some yoga, do some meditation, but keep yourself calm and the people around you also calm. So if you are in a relationship that is putting you down and pulling you down and kind of all those things, then I don't think you need to continue in that relationship, be it a husband and wife or a brother and sister or parents children relationship. Let it be anything. If that relationship is not allowing you to grow and it is just putting you down, then I think it is best to end it. That's raw truth, but it's good for you. You have been born alone, you die alone, so why you need to live with a person who's not giving you happiness? That is the basic thing they can give that to you, right? So I don't think you need to continue with that. So fine, that is what I have to say. But to all the women out there, you are great. You are like, 1 second. You are best, because you work at the home and you do a lot of things that you don't get credit for. But don't worry, you give credit for yourself, pamper yourself. You don't need someone to motivate you when you're learning something new. You don't need someone to encourage you. You can do that to yourself, okay? And the same goes to the men who are going through that kind of situation. So you are yourself, so you need to love yourself. So stop domestic violence and lot of things will be good. You don't create your own karma by doing that, because you hit a cat once, so that will come back to you one or the other day. So that is how karma works. So take care of that, and that's it, guys. So I hope you really learned something from this video or got some motivation, and I would be really happy to be a part of that, your happiness. So then I'll see you in the next time, okay, next video. So bye, take care.